Do you think you truly understand money? Most people don't. The truth is, the financial system has some shocking secrets that most Americans never learn in school. But today, that changes. I'm going to share 10 money facts that could completely change the way you think about your finances. And once you know them, you'll never look at money the same way again. Let's dive in. Did you know that since 1913, the US dollar has lost more than 90% of its value because of inflation? What cost $1 back then now costs over $26. And if you're just saving cash without investing, you're actually losing money slowly every single year. Here's another shocking truth. About 63% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck. Even people earning six figures often struggle because lifestyle inflation eats away their income. Building wealth isn't just about earning more. It's about managing your money better. Credit card debt is another huge trap. In the US, credit card debt has now crossed $1.3 trillion, and the average household owes over $6,000. With interest rates often above 20%, unpaid balances can double in just a few years. Debt is designed to keep you stuck. But here's the difference between the rich and the rest. The wealthy don't fear debt. They use it as a tool. They borrow at low interest to invest in assets that bring them higher returns. That's how they grow wealth faster, while many others stay trapped paying credit card bills. Most people believe their home is their biggest asset. But until it earns you money, it's actually a liability. Property taxes, repairs, and mortgage interest cost you money every single year. The wealthy understand the difference between assets and liabilities, and that's a key reason they stay ahead. Another fact most people never think about: taxes are the single biggest expense of your entire life. On average, Americans pay over 30% of their income in taxes, more than they spend on food, housing, or education. And yet, very few people learn how to legally reduce their taxes through smart investing or business ownership. Now, let's talk about the power of compound interest. At an 8% annual return, your money doubles roughly every 9 years. But this same power works against you when you're in debt, which is why paying off high-interest loans is just as powerful as investing. Here's a scary reality. Nearly half of Americans over 55 have no retirement savings at all. And most people retire with less than $100,000. That's why understanding money early isn't optional. It's a necessity. Wealth inequality is also growing. The top 1% of Americans own more wealth than the bottom 90% combined. The difference is simple. The top 1% own assets, businesses, stocks, real estate. The rest mostly own liabilities and work for money instead of making money work for them. And finally, here's the most powerful fact of all. Financial literacy is more valuable than a college degree. Most schools never teach you how money works, but learning how to budget, invest, and build assets can completely change your future, often more than any degree ever could. If these money facts surprised you, that's a good thing. It means you're ready to take control of your financial future. Start small, track your spending, learn how compound interest works, and focus on building assets instead of debt. And if you want more powerful insights like these, make sure to subscribe for weekly videos that teach you how money really works. Because the more you understand money, the more control you have over your life.